comment and tell me if you're ready for Ninjaman coming home, everybody. Get this video to 1,000 likes. Good news, my people. Share the video. Happy Easter Monday. Subscribe to the channel, everybody. It's Manifest Mondays. Listen to this.
We don't run from the country to me no want to give people nothing. And play time to come sometime. Play time all the while. So I'm scared. You know, I have more opportunity to run like me. I mean, you run way. Yeah? I have 15 white baby madam here. None of my personal one, them never put and never Jamaican citizen. Everyone of them American, Canadian, and English. They get opportunity not to come back in this country. But they love me, love my people, and I left them. You know, love way. I use me to go on like you know, love like a me, we cannot come and I not do nothing. You just don't want to give it the amount of money where you feel like you have to give it to when you come on time.
Yeah, man, big up to Ninja.
People don't want the money from you, don't you know. They want the love on you, and that's me telling you, you can use that for that thing you do. When man love you, we stop it. We don't play no Jesus road, we don't start, and we play the young slaughter this now. From 2019, in 1999, me and your class. And the class done, and everybody else. Not super cat coming like father and son back again. Me and father and son back again. The merciless coming like little pity back again. Every one of them. We got family back again. Why you can't come family? You two blood clot corrupt, you don't want like say I made me. Me love you. Go ahead, we care if you love me. I don't care if you're rich. You're rich, me rich. Me not call you for your cup of tea. Me a young DJ now begin to
go waste some more of the time. Everybody who wants to see Ninjaman free, press the like button right now. Everybody who are cheering for Ninjaman, come home, the Dan Gargan. Press the like button. You understand what I say? Happy Easter Mondays, everybody, but it's Manifest Mondays still. You understand? Whatever your dreams, your goals, and aspirations are for today, Virtual TV hopes that it bears fruit. Listen to me, Virtual TV has good news for you right now. Counting down the days that Ninjaman will be released. The possibilities are looking strong. You understand? And his legal representatives are now saying Ninjaman is innocent. So you need to stay tuned. Okay? Yes. The countdown begins. The second of the 6th. How far you think the second is? Okay? The second of the 6th is very close. Okay? And we will hear exactly what is happening right now. Yes, the second of the 6th, and the countdown begins, everybody, as April now is going to be ended. Okay, so we're literally a few weeks away from Ninjaman getting released from prison after so many years. You understand what I say? I'm going to go into the details pertaining to that. What you need to know, of course, all right, Ninjaman just said in that previous video a while ago that him love him country. He has gotten opportunities to leave Jamaica many times. But him love him country and him love him people them. Everybody drop a like on the video for Ninjaman and comment and tell me if you're ready for welcome Ninjaman home. Comment and tell me if you're ready for him to come home. You understand, everybody? Ninjaman is confident, his lawyers are confident, and they are ready to pursue legal actions and, of course, to overturn his conviction. You understand? Zane? No, I learned that based on the article shared before, that the day when Ninjaman was convicted, preparations were already made for the Privy Council. Yes, preparations were already being made. So, in just the event that if Ninjaman loses his case, in short order, he will be sent off to the Privy Council, or his case, that is, you understand, to be tried. No, the second of the 6th is going to be his appeal of his murder conviction. You understand? And his lawyers are now saying they don't care who don't believe. They don't care who no one believe. They don't care who are trying to convince anybody. They're saying that Ninjaman is innocent. He has been rehabilitated and his past should not be used against him. From 1999 until 2025, Ninjaman is fully rehabilitated is what they're saying. Okay? And based on past statements from various entertainers, music players, and friends who have gave statements about Ninjaman, my people, it is all good. They are saying that Ninjaman has impacted their lives very greatly, and Ninjaman is right true and true a good role model when he is or going to be integrated back into society. You understand? So shout out to Valerita Roberts, my people. Her work, transcripts, past paperworks will be compiled along with, of course, Robert Fletcher, and they will take the streamline to having Ninjaman freed. And it is only now the countdown begins. The countdown begins. The second of the 6th. Ninjaman's case is basically less than a month away. Time a wind down. The countdown begins, everybody. Anyway, let's get into what is going on right so. Now, incarcerated dancehall star Ninjaman is set and ready to go to the home circuit court on June 2nd as his legal team presses ahead with the appeal of his conviction. His attorney at law, Robert Fletcher, and others confirmed the Border Clash DJ will return to court, but they're remaining tight-lipped on the strategy that they are going to use. They have a strategy. Now, arguably, what is happening is this. They're saying that Ninjaman's greatest attribute to this case is his alibi. You understand? And because of the whole heap of cases brought forward to court are mentions, so to speak, right? It has compromised Ninjaman's alibi and has compromised his right to a fair trial. Yeah. And they're saying Ninjaman's constitutional right was breached. I have no doubt that Ninjaman will walk free in this case. Yes, the odds are in his favor. They're not against him. They're in his favor to walk. Remember, these are the mirroring effects that we have seen over the years in the final days of Vybz Kartel situation. Okay? Because Ninjaman's case was supposed to be tried a long time ago. And what we're having now, what they did in Vybz Kartel's case, when the Privy Council sent back the case to Jamaica, they had to make reference and try to get an intel on when was the last retrial. See, the last retrial that happened in Jamaica was supposed to be done from 2002. And then when they brought that case for the retrial from 2002, it still not get tried yet. So, the long drawn out stage, it is going to play greatly on Ninjaman. And of course, they're now taking into account his alibi, which they're saying on the day in question, allegedly, of the shooting of Ricky Trooper, Ninjaman was in Mandeville on that day in question. Anyway, now they're saying that the team is going through transcripts now and noting that the discrepancies and conflicting testimonies so that they can mount a formidable defense, a source told the Observer. Ninjaman's drop-in appeal was impacted negatively by the sudden drop-in of course, Valerie Robertson. She was supposed to spearhead Ninjaman's case, alright, and she passed away. May her soul rest in peace. Alright, now, of course, you know, her work compared with the other legal representatives from people, they are going to move forward with whatever it is happening. Now, in an interview with his lawyer, they pointed out to the length of the days in the case, which had been seen 17 times, 17 trial dates and 23 mentions before the trial. Now, it is alleged that on the day in question in March 2009, the now deceased Ricardo Johnson was sweeping his yard in the company of a friend on Mall Road, St. Andrew, when a motor car with 3 men aboard drove up. Now, according to what they're saying, an argument developed between Johnson and friend. The men who left then later returned with guns blazing. Johnson was fatally big stoned in the incident. Ninjaman turned himself into the police custody shortly after the incident upon hearing that he was being sought as a person of interest. Now, the trial involved 7 witnesses, including one who testified that a group of men led by Ninjaman entered a yard on the day in question. It was further alleged that the DJ fired 2 shots at the witness allegedly, and when he had to flee the premises. Now, the length of the delay deprived him of the alibi witnesses, and that would have made a great difference. Instead, we had to challenge the credibility of the prosecution's witness without being able to produce witnesses to substantiate Ninjaman's argument that he was in Mandeville at the time of the incident, is what his lawyers say. Okay, the lawyers believe that Ninjaman's fame and past reputation weighed heavily on the decision of the 7-member jury. The Crown relied heavily on the concept of common design to infer that 3 convicted men were acting together in a common design which was aimed at using the fire sticks to cause grievous bodily harm. Told them. The Dan Gargan was sentenced and of course to life in prison in November 2017. That is it. Drop a like on the video, share the video. I have more to come. Stay tuned. Don't go away. I will be back.